Hello and welcome to InsuranceFunda. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining your CKYC number, which is now mandatory for all LIC of India policies. We'll also cover what to do if a CKYC number isn't available immediately. Let's get started. To begin, open Google and type "Fetch your CKYC card." Select the result that allows you to retrieve the CKYC card. On the web page, enter the mobile number linked to the customer's Aadhaar, type in the CAPTCHA code, and then press Next. An OTP will be sent to the customer's mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Submit. The customer will receive a message containing their CKYC number and a link to download the CKYC card. The card password is the date of birth in DDMM-YYYY format. Here, you'll see the CKYC number like this one, 500221855454162. Simply write this CKYC number on top of the proposal form and you're done. No need to submit any photos, ID proofs, or address proof. If the customer needs to download their CKYC card again, they can click the link in the text message they received. Enter the date of birth as the password, and the CKYC card will open for viewing or download. Sometimes, a customer may not have a CKYC number available. In this case, you'll need to submit a CKYC request online. First, log into the LIC of India website. Scroll down and click the LIC Digital button. This will lead you to the KYC app, where you can download the KYC app. Once the app is downloaded, log in using your LIC agency code or SR number along with the mobile number you registered with LIC. Enter the OTP and click Next. On the app, you'll see three options: Upload, Record, and DIY. Select Upload. Then choose Proof of Address. Here, you can select the Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, or driving license as ID proof. If you choose Aadhaar, make sure to upload both the front and back of the card. Use the brush tool to mask the first 8 digits of the Aadhaar number on both sides before saving. Now, upload the customer's photo. You can use a live photo if the customer is present, or simply upload a saved photo. Enter the customer's PAN card number or choose Form 60 if PAN is unavailable. Check that all details are correct and save the submission. Once saved, a reference ID will be displayed. Make a note of this ID as it will serve as the reference for CKYC. Write it on the customer's proposal form and LIC will generate the CKYC number based on this reference. And that's it. Whether you obtain the CKYC number directly or through the app with a reference number, you can complete the process smoothly. Remember, having a CKYC number removes the need for photos, ID proof, or address proof in the proposal form. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching Insurance Funda, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.